Nobody wants war. Nobody wants war.
Nobody wants war, but Ajay Devgan breaks silence on Operation Sindoor's success. Ajay Devgan becomes the first Bollywood actor to publicly react to India's victory over Pakistan with the success of Operation Sindoor. The retaliation attack by the Indian Armed Forces was launched on 7th May. 24 precision strikes on 9 different targets were carried out in 25 minutes. Operation Sindoor took the much-needed revenge for the gruesome Pahalgam attack, where 26 innocents were gunned down. Ajay appeared at the trailer launch of Karate Kid: Legends. In the upcoming Hollywood action adventure, Ajay and Yug have dubbed for the Hindi version, voicing Jackie Chan and Ben Wang respectively. The father-son duo attended the event in Mumbai, and there, Ajay shared his views on the recent India-Pakistan tension. During the event, Ajay was asked to share his reaction to Operation Sindoor and how the Indian Armed Forces gave a befitting reply to terror. The actor said,
Don't even need to say that. See, nobody wants war, but when there's no choice left, I think there is no choice left then. And I salute to all the armed forces, the PM, the whole government. They had to do what they did, and they did great. And thank you. I would like to thank them very, very much.
Ajay concluded by shouting Jai Hind, and he received a thunderous response from the audience.
Jai Hind!
Meanwhile, India and Pakistan have agreed to a full and immediate ceasefire along their disputed border, effective immediately. This development comes after a tense period of heightened military actions, including 4 days of intense cross-border drone and missile attacks that brought the region to the brink of a major conflict.
क्योंकि एक फिल्म ethical लड़ाई की है, it's about values, traditions. Operation Sindoor has been such a moment of pride and glory for us Indians because it's our fight against terrorism and all that stands for the wrong. Please clap to our Jawans and everything that they've done to tell them that we love them. And we've seen you do this on screen so many times, but just to ask you, how proud are you of the bravery, the valor, and...
I don't even need to say that. See, nobody wants war, but when there's no choice left, I think there is no choice left then. And I salute to all the armed forces, the PM, the whole government. They had to do what they did, and they did great. And thank you. I would like to thank them very, very much.
Let's say Jai Hind at the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Jai
Hind! Thank you, everybody. Thank you for being here. As we all know, 30th May, Karate Kid Legends, and we have the 2 legends and the 1 in the making. What a fantastic frame of mind you have, Yug. Very proud of your work and very proud of your frame of mind. Amazing, amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Ajay ji. Congratulations to you and Kajol ji.